from Hordell is a battery-operated scissors at 320 RPM at 23 millimeter or 1/4 inch thickness of cutting with a 2000 milliamp battery with an LED light in the front. It comes in the box, USB compliance charging cable, and a replacement blade and shaft, along with an instruction guide to go over to learn about your product. Going over the details of the unit, squeeze grip, and trigger to operate the unit. It has an LED light in the front, and on the side over here, LED indicators. On the back, it has a USB-C compliance cable port, the blade, and guide. We have a piece of cardboard that you're simply going to cut and show you how nicely the unit works. You can make round cuts, shred your cardboard, and cut your cardboard down to size by pressing the button and squeezing and cutting. Double folding the cardboard for a 1/4 inch thickness. While in the charging state, the unit will not operate or work. What we're going to do is show you how to replace the blade. Changing the blade is simple as putting the shaft into the unit with an optional screwdriver. Rotate and off. Placing on the new blade to the 2 ball areas, slide into the protective area. Place back the large screw head. Place and rotate in the shaft and lock down. Remove the shaft and discard the old blade. And you're ready to cut. On the front is a LED light for low light situations or clear looks. And when cutting, cut flat on the edge. And cuts. So if you're looking for a cutter to cut cardboard, leather, fabric, sheets, and more, battery operated 2000 milliamps with the safety trigger, this product may be something that you are looking for your cutting needs. Thank you for viewing.